Maintaining the dental fillings you have is a crucial aspect of keeping your mouth healthy. If you've got silver amalgam fillings or tooth-colored composite ones, regular maintenance and care will extend the life of the fillings as well as ensure your teeth are healthy. In this short video, we'll discuss the best ways you can take care of the dental fillings you have to make sure they last the longest time possible. 1. Maintain a healthy oral hygiene. The most crucial ways to maintain the dental fillings you have is to maintain proper dental hygiene. It is important to brush your teeth at least twice per day with fluoride toothpaste, flossing regularly, as well as using an antiseptic mouthwash that helps remove plaque and bacteria from your mouth. A good oral hygiene routine can keep gum disease and decay at bay that can affect the quality of the fillings you have. 2. Beware of sticky and hard foods. Fillings for dental cavities can be damaged or loosened if you eat a lot of food items that are sticky or hard. Beware of chewing hard items such as ice, nuts, hard candy, or caps for pen, since they can cause fillings to break or crack. In addition, foods that are sticky like caramel and taffy could make your fillings tackier and cause them to loosen as time passes. Take note of what that you consume to avoid harm to the fillings. 3. Put on a night guard. When you grind your teeth during the late at night, you could put too much pressure on the dental fillings. This could cause excessive wear and tear on your fillings and also increases the chance of them breaking or falling out. Consult your dentist about making a night guard that is custom made to safeguard your teeth and fillings as you rest. The night guard will help lower the pressure on fillings and also protect them from being damaged. 4. Visit your dentist regularly. Checkups with your dentist regularly are vital to ensure the condition of your fillings and for identifying potential problems prior to them becoming serious. The dentist will inspect the fillings in your mouth during your appointment and will look for indications of decay, wear, or any damage. They will also scrub your teeth and eliminate any accumulation of tartar or plaque that could cause dental issues. Be sure to see your dentist twice every year for regular examinations and cleanings in order to keep your fillings healthy and in good shape. 5. Be on the lookout for warning signs. It is important to remain vigilant regarding your dental health and be aware of problems in the dental fillings. If you notice discomfort, sensitivity, or an alteration in appearance or color of your fillings, schedule an appointment with your dentist as quickly as you can. This could indicate an unsound or damaged filling, which should be dealt with immediately. If you ignore these signs, it could lead to more extensive dental procedures later on, so do not hesitate to seek out professional assistance if you are noticing problems regarding the fillings. Maintaining the dental fillings you have is vital to maintain healthy oral health as well as avoiding unneeded dental issues. Through practicing proper dental hygiene, staying away from food items that are sticky and hard, and wearing a night guard and visiting your dentist frequently and keeping an eye out for the signs of trouble, and you will make sure that your fillings last for the longest time possible. Be sure to adhere to these guidelines and closely work with your dentist in order to keep your fillings in good state and to ensure the overall health of your dental health.